little bit of edge sanding. So these edges are now sanded to 150. I started at 120 on the edge sander, and now we'll give them a quick 180 on their interior faces, and then we can give them a coat of finish. On this oak veneered ply, we're using Bonner Natural, and just as the first coat, so this stops it from yellowing, and then we'll use Mega Bonner Extra Matte on top, a couple of coats, and we're just finishing the interior faces. We're not doing the front edge, because when the cabinet's together, I'm going to sand all of the front edges at 180 and then coat them so they're perfect.